Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add overlay in CapCut PC. So it's pretty simple, let's get started. So first step is you guys have to simply open up CapCut application and simply import the footages. So you guys have to simply select the first footage, which is the background footage, and you guys have to simply select the overlay footage. So in order to make the overlay, you guys have to simply select that footage which you want to be overlay. So you guys have to just simply select it and place it above the background video. So after adjusting it, you guys have to just simply select the footage, overlaid footage on the timeline, and you guys can also transform the size by just adjusting the scale, and you guys can also adjust the positions by just horizontally or vertically, or you guys can rotate and many more functions. So you guys have to just simply adjust it. So after completely adjusting it, now you guys have lots of options. So in order to get overlaid, you guys have simply go to this blend section, and in the blend section you guys have to just simply adjust the opacity by just, you can also adjust the opacity in the overlay section by just adjusting this opacity, or you guys can select any mode of the opacity. So you guys can change the modes of overlay. So you guys have to just simply select any of the mode, and you guys can see the result art. And in this way you guys can add overlays in CapCut. I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.